A very good evening and my greetings to all of you. On behalf of PSD Chamber, I would like to express my gratitude to the presence of all the delegates, speakers, and participants in this meet, and a warm welcome to the IT industry representatives. We indeed hope to make this event a truly fruitful for the state of Madhya Pradesh and the investors. Madhya Pradesh is called a heart of India, not only because of its location in the center of the country, but also showcase the best of India's geographical and the cultural diversity. This land is fascinating amalgam in the science and beauty, history and modern urban planning. Today, Madhya Pradesh is one of the fastest growing states in India. The state has registered continuous increase in per capita income for the last 7 years. During the current financial year, the per capita income of the state is estimated to be up by 8.69%. Credible achievement in all the sector growth have been made by the Madhya Pradesh as a result of the constant and committed efforts. During the period, Madhya Pradesh gross state domestic product has risen to 96%. While a massive increase of 284% has been registered in per capita income, the 12% economic growth rate achieved by Madhya Pradesh during the year 11 and 12. In fact, largely attributed to the stride in the agriculture and the construction sector. While the agriculture growth rate was 18%, the growth rate of construction sector was 16.7% approximately. Industry and service sector also performed reasonably well. The contribution of the industry sector to the GDP has increased to 29%, whereas it has gone down at all India level. This will open up the new vistas of the investment and augment the job opportunities in the state. The industrial growth rate of the Madhya Pradesh 8% in the year 2011-12. The major challenges facing in the country today has been the character of the economic growth, and we are witnessing all of them. Despite of the phenomenal growth which has made India world's fourth biggest economy, the employment in total and non-agriculture sector has not been growing. The jobless growth has also accompanied with the growth of the contract employment. This is one of the daunting and the complicated task confronting the policymaker before the objective and the inclusive growth and the sustainable development can be reached. One of the critical area which can help the government meet these challenges is the information technology sector. The IT and BPO sector has generated 101 million in the revenue in the financial year 2011 and 2012, and the contribution of the IT sector in India GDP has grown to 6.4% in year 2011. As per NASSCOM, the sector is estimated to provide the direct employment of about 10 million and indirect employment of about 20 million people in 2020. Indian IT service sector are expected to reach US $175 billion and the domestic market about 50 billion by 2020. Madhya Pradesh has one of the few states in the country which understood the incredible opportunity that IT sector provides and has potential itself to be a much sought after destination of the development and the promotion of IT industry. This Information Technology Investment Policy 2012 of the Government of Madhya Pradesh has laudatory vision and the development of IT, ITMS and the EHM as a vibrant industry for the inclusive growth and creating employment opportunities for the people in the state in the area of information technology. Specific courses of the action have been spelled out in the policy for overall development of the IT industry in the state of focus and the creation of the IT parks at Gwalior, Indore, Bhopal and Jabalpur. The policy provides an enlarged definition of the IT industry, earmarking land of the IT investment, providing suitable environment for the private sector, infrastructure development, agencies, pooling of the private land or for the development of IT investment, land, etc. Once again, thank you everyone over here who have made this to come over here. Thank you very much.